podcast with Horsey. We all know Sweet Ash is alive. Is that so now? I don't think that the relationship ever said that there was an end to it or anything like that. It just was a private thing. Thank you. The S. I can't wait to redo these nails now because you guys see that. Middle fingers up, tell 'em boy bye. What's the meaning of the S? What do you guys think it is? Privacy is killing the youth. I'm not a private person. Hey, I'm not a private person, but I obviously do respect other people's requests. Ghosting. I'm sorry about that, but it's not my choice. Privacy is killing the youth, but it's also killing adulthood, and it's also killing childhood. So privacy is just a murderer. Yeah. Since privacy is a murderer, it should be locked up in jail. Take it out, hey? Yeah, I'm also thinking of the same thing. But never mind, it's fine. It's fine. Your home is beautiful. Wow, just like, thank you. Thank you. Do the infringement. Oh, do the infringement. I forgot that there. No copy rights infringement intended. Send pin comments. There's it. I forgot about that. I love you, Ashley Ogle. Can we have a house tour? I don't know how I feel about that, cause yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe when I'm on top billing. Work will wait for Ashley. Oh, you're so fun. They tell me I'm not funny. Do not take it out. Guys, I don't want to take it out, but I don't know. But it has to be different for Saturday. It has to be different in any case. On your nails. Yes, there is an S on my nails. It's an S on each middle finger. Yep. The podcast with Horsey. We all know Sweet Ash is alive. Is that so now? I don't think that the relationship ever said that there was an end to it or anything like that. It just was a private thing. Thank you. The S. I can't wait to redo these nails now because you guys see that. Middle fingers up, tell 'em boy bye. What's the meaning of the S? What do you guys think it is? I asked him who told him that I was single. Yeah, I jump from men to men to men. I jump where the money's at. I'm joking. Hey, no, I don't know why stuff like that is on my mind. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Ashley, you should stop allowing fans to control what you do. Well, that is some food for thought. Ash, get someone to help with the YouTube vlogs. I'll try. Please don't go live on Facebook. I won't live on Facebook. Is it because of the drags? Me, I don't care. Unfortunately, I wish I cared, but I don't. She will tell us about God, this one. Who? Oopsie! No, it's no longer funny. Guys. Yeah. I did well. I'm so glad. like, peace, that you're watching this live. 9 more. It's coming. Don't break our hearts. I'm sorry. You know, I'd never want to break anybody's heart. Yeah. We can do 10k. Ash, we almost on 7.5k. Right, 7.5k. Remember I told you that a joke does, if it goes over 15 minutes, right, then it's no longer a joke. I didn't tell you 15 minutes ago. So I was joking. I was lying. I wasn't lying. I was joking. Yeah, the person that is here, the guy that's with me it's God. And he's really amazing. Now I have to say goodbye to you all. I really love you. You're so beautiful. And just thank you for being here. Don't forget, if you want answers, there's 2 people that can answer you. I'm only one of them, and I've done my best. Bye, guys.